What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I find myself in Meadows Campground. It is very cold. Last night we had a fire going. I was standing next to the fire and I couldn't even feel the fire. Just to show you how cold it is daytime already the next day, and look at this. That is completely frozen. I'm actually surprised the camera turns on. A lot of the things that we had were frozen. I was trying to brush my teeth last night. My toothpaste was frozen. My bottled water, I was having a hard time just opening the bottled water because it was frozen. See guys? Damn. This is just from being naturally outside.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day.
I'm not messing around. Look at this log. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at that thing. That thing is a beast.
That just bought us like hours.
Yeah, seriously.
There's been a lot of talk about the river, and we haven't gone to the river. We all go to the river in different times. Watch my.
Yeah, I have to be careful there.
Be careful too. That's
I think I'm good, dude.
I got these shoes have zero traction.
These ones have a lot of traction. Oh damn, dude! Look at that. Is that a log? It looks like almost like a beaver.
I think it's a beaver.
Oh yeah? You have any?
Well, let's see.
Look at the tail. Yeah, it's true, huh?
Hey, buddy, we're freezing too. Yes, we're freezing too, buddy. You're not the only one freezing.
No, that guy's not freezing. He has a wetsuit.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he said he's in his element right now.
It's coming this way. How to catch a fish? How to catch a fish with a beaver? Oh!
Wow! Oh, there it is. Fucking go.
Fire is intense though, huh? It feels nice here.
Amazing.
Look at the breathing.
Italian sausage. Ooh. That's nice.
This shit's gonna wake the bears out of hibernation.
What's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
The wind came. We were doing a little workout. The wind came and a little cold. Put my sweatshirt on right now. What do we got on the pancakes? We got
We have strawberries and
banana.
we forgot the chocolate, but we have banana
and then we have bacon
and eggs, hard-boiled eggs, and Italian
a
sausage.
little bit of my breakfast right here. We're gonna put in some. Look at that. Some agave nectar.
action. Yeah.
Oh, Snappy's right.
Denny's ain't got shit on this.
No, look at this. Alright, that's enough. That's enough, Esteban. Enough is enough. These came out really good, huh? Amazing. Wow.
Daydream, I fell asleep amid the flowers for a couple of hours on a beautiful day.
So we have been hiking for a few minutes and it got really hot, so we all have to take down a couple clothing. And you'll get really cold again. That's right. I feel good. Da, 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 da. I knew that I would now. Da, 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 da. I feel good. Da, 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 da. I knew that I would. Da, 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 da. Alright guys, well I am finally back from my camping trip. Thank you very much for watching my video. It is nice and warm finally down here. I can actually wear shorts again. I'm excited about that because down there it was freezing, but it was fun, it was exciting. Thank you very much for all the people that I went camping with. You guys are awesome. And this is one of the first time watching one of my videos. Click the subscribe button. If you like what you saw, give me a like. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, write it right there on the comment section. I will be looking after that. Thank you very much, guys. I will see you until the next video. Peace.
I feel paralyzed.